Hare Krishna. Now I will tell you the story of Krishna takes the form of Kali Mata. Once, when Krishna was with his friends, he was grazing the cows. He suddenly thought of he wanted to see the whole forest. The forest was very beautiful, so he told all the friends that just wait here. I will just go into the forest. I will walk and I will come. Then Madhumangal said, I will also accompany you. Then Krishna and Madhumangal both were walking in the forest, and they were such nice trees. And this was the season Vasant Ritu. It was the spring season, and it was very nice, beautiful trees it was very green, and down the Yamuna, near Yamuna was flowing, and it was so beautiful to look. And suddenly he thought of Srimati Radharani, and he started playing his flute. He was standing under Kadamba tree, and he was playing his flute, calling the name of Srimati Radharani. There Srimati Radharani heard this flute that Krishna is calling her. Immediately she became very happy, and she also wanted to meet Krishna, and she began to cook varieties of delicious sweets and many other the items she knew to cook, and she was preparing, and she finished her cooking, and all the gopis, all the sakis dressed Srimati Radharani with beautiful dress and beautiful sari, and with varieties of ornaments, and decorated her with flowers, and she was looking very beautiful. And they made Radharani ready, and they also made flower garlands, and they took sandalwood paste, and they went with all these things to serve Krishna, to meet Krishna. Then when Purnamasi Devi came to know that now Krishna and Radharani want to meet each other, she immediately informed Vrinda Devi to prepare a flower bed and decorate the kunja. Then in Vamshivata Kunja, immediately Vrinda Devi she prepared a flower bed with sweet fragrance, and so many flowers decorated. It was beautiful. And then Krishna called Vrinda Devi, and he said that, where is Srimati Radharani? I want to meet her just now. Where is she? And Vrinda Devi said, as you ordered, she is now just coming, and you can meet her. Then Vrinda Devi went to Srimati Radharani and told, Krishna is very eager to meet you. Then Srimati Radharani said, I am also very eager to meet him. Then Radharani came there, and Krishna was waiting in the kunja for her. Then when Radharani came there, she immediately took the sandalwood paste. She applied on Krishna's body, and she cooled Krishna's body, and then she decorated him with flower garlands and many ornaments. And then Krishna was sitting, and then she was sitting with Krishna, and all the gopis were performing aarti, and everybody will clapping and singing Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Like this kirtan, everybody was singing, and they were glorifying Srimati Radharani and Krishna. Then after the aarti was over, when the gopis were doing chamara to Radharani and Krishna, Radharani took the sweets which she had cooked with her own hands, and she removed the sweets, and she started giving to Krishna in his mouth. Like this they were enjoying there in the Vamshivata Kunja. Then there Kutila, the sister-in-law of Srimati Radharani, she came, and when she saw Krishna and Radharani together and they were enjoying, she became very angry, and she went to her house immediately, and she told to Abhimanyu, who was her brother, oh, you Abhimanyu, see now you wouldn't believe me na that Radharani is meeting Krishna. Now see, they are sitting and enjoying very nicely. You go and see. Then Abhimanyu said, you have chosen the right time. Now I will go there and I will catch Krishna red-handed, and I will give a severe punishment to Krishna, and Radharani will also be not allowed from today, and I will also not allow Radharani to any Surya Puja, any Kali Puja or anything. Then he became very angry, and both very angrily Kuntila and Abhimanyu were going to the same where they were performing their pastime. When they were walking there from far away, Vrinda Devi was guarding the Kunja. She saw that Abhimanyu and Kuntila were coming very angrily with stick to beat everybody. Vrinda Devi immediately she ran inside and she informed everybody, all the gopis, Srimati Radharani, Krishna, that Abhimanyu and Kuntila are coming to beat us. Then she started screaming. Then Vrinda Devi came outside and she was standing. Here Radharani was very afraid. She told, "Oh Krishna, please let me engross my mind in thinking on your lotus feet. I am going to leave my body now. I don't know. I am very afraid of this Abhimanyu. They will beat me and they will throw me away out of the house. Then I will not be able to live in this way." Then Krishna said, "Oh, why are you worrying so much? Just believe me. Now I will take the form of Kali, and you start worshipping me, and this way Abhimanyu will not see me." Then immediately Krishna took the form of Kali Mata. Then Radharani started worshipping Kali Mata. She was whatever sweet she had made, she started offering to Kali Mata and the flowers. And Abhimanyu came there very angrily and asked Kuntila, "Where is Krishna? Where is that fallen son of Nanda Maharaj? Where is he? And where is that Radharani who goes every time behind Krishna?" Then Kuntila said, "Just see that they must be sitting and all the gopis must be sitting." And when Abhimanyu saw that their Kali Mata was there and Radharani was worshipping very, very sweetly, she was worshipping Kali Mata, and all the gopis were assisting Srimati Radharani in this service. And Abhimanyu, all the anger of Abhimanyu went away, and that anger she showed to Kuntila. "What is this? My most chaste wife, you are Srimati Radharani, you are telling like this? See, she is so devoted to Kali Mata, my worshipable deity, and she is serving her, and you are telling something lies about her. From today, I will not believe whatever you say." Then she went to Radharani and said, "Oh dear Radharani, today I made Kuntila, I taught Kuntila lesson, and I came to know that you are meeting Krishna. These are all really rumors, and you don't do any such thing, and you are so devoted to Kali Mata. Then continue your service. I will go to graze my cows, and then you can return to my house whenever you finish the puja." Then Abhimanyu went away. He was while scolding Kuntila. Then Kuntila became very angry and told, "All this is mischief of them only. I saw Krishna and now we saw Kali Mata. What is this? Next time I will show Abhimanyu." Then here Radharani became very happy that she got more time to be with Krishna, and again Kali Mata Krishna came into his Shyamsundar form, and he was sitting, and Radharani started giving the sweets and they were enjoying again. This way they used to perform pastimes on their way.